Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm walking you through how to fix swap fail on your Phantom wallet in 2025. If your token swap swaps keep failing, whether you're trading Solana, Ethereum, or any other token, here's what you need to do to get them going again. First, make sure you've got enough native tokens in your wallet for fix. On Solana, you need to about 0.05 Sol. On Ethereum or Base, you'll need Ethereum. On Polygon, it's Pol. Without those, swap will fail before the event starts. Next, check your slippage settings. Phantom defaults to 0.5% slippage, but that's too hard for available volatile or low liquidity pairs. Increase it slightly or enable auto slippage to give your swap room to complete. If that doesn't fix, if your swap may lack liquidity or maybe from a risky token, Phantom uses aggregation across multiple DAX providers, so try changing providers in a swap screen, or break large trades into smaller chunks to reduce price impact. Network traffic can also cause failed swaps, especially during congestion. Check the network status, Solana status, so it's going to be status.solana.com, Etherscan, or PolygoScan, and retry when these come down. Sometimes just try again will work. Phantom's success rate have climbed nearly 90%, but retrying helps. If you're using a VPN, try turning off or switching servers. Some routing issues can interrupt swap requests. Finally, be aware of scam or frozen tokens. Tokens with a conditional transfer restriction, freeze authority, or those flagged as malicious will always fail. If you're getting a malicious account error or no route, avoid those tokens and consider using trusted external DAX like Jupiter or Uniswap. So let's recap. Have enough gas token, bumper slippage, switch providers or split swaps, check network congestion, disable any VPN, and avoid scam tokens. And thanks for watching. If this helps you to fix swap fail errors on Phantom Wallet, please like the video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more crypto wallet troubleshooting and tutorial also in guide. See you in the next time.